In this video we will see B.Ed 2022 Shift-2 Math Question Solutions Part 1. And some questions we will see in this video and some other questions we will see in the next video. Question number 1. First one, if x plus 3 comma 4 minus y is equal to 1 comma 7, then what is the value of the coordinate x minus 3 comma 4 plus y? So here what we have to observe, x plus 3 is given. This is equal to how much? The first one. This is x and this is y. And the second one, 4 minus y is equal to how much? 7. So you have to solve accordingly. So if x plus 3 is equal to 1, what will be the value of x? 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. This is the value of x. Similarly, if 4 minus y is equal to 7, that means minus y is equal 4 minus y is equal to, yes, 4 minus y is equal to 7. That means minus y is equal to how much? Minus 4. 4 minus y is equal to minus 7 means y is equal to, y if we take to this side, y is equal to 4 minus 7, that is equal to minus 3. So we got here x value as minus 2 and y value as minus 3. Now what we have to find? X minus 3 and 4 plus y. So x minus 3 means how much? X minus 3 means x value is minus 2, minus 3. So x value will be minus 5. And y minus 3 means y value is 4 plus y, second one here, 4 plus y. 4 plus y means 4 plus, what is the value of y? Minus 3. 4 plus y we have to find. Yes, 4 plus of minus 3, that is equal to 1. So x value is minus 5 and y value is equal to 1. So this is the answer we are having for the question number 1. Now moving to question number 2. The number of factors of 480. For 480 we have to find the how many factors we will get. Right. For this we have something like a rule or a definition. If you follow this one, then you can find the number of how many factors will be there for any number. Using this rule you have to find. First what we have to do, whatever number is given, do this as find the product of prime factors. So 480, if you do prime factors, what you will get? Using prime numbers only you have to do here. So you will get here 240, 120, 60, 30, 15, 3 and 5. So 480 can be written as 2 how many times? Here if you see 2 power 5, 3 how many times? 1 time and 5. So after getting the prime factors, this we got. Now add 1 to each exponent. To this 5 you have to add 1. To this 1 you have to add 1. And to the 5 power 1 you have to add 1. Add 1 to each exponent, second point. Third point is then multiply. So you have to multiply. So this is the shortcut method to know the number of factors of 480. So 6 multiplied by 2, 12. 12 multiplied by 2, 24. So the answer here is 24. Now coming to question number 3 from the chapter sets. What is the question? If A is equal to, set A is equal to A km and B is equal to B kp, then disjoint sets. What is the meaning of disjoint sets? Two sets having no common element. Disjoint set means no common element between the two sets, that is disjoint sets. The following, if A is equal to set and B is equal to, then disjoint sets among the following are. So here we are having two sets. A union B will get some result. A. Between these two, do you get any disjoint set or not? You have to check. A intersection B and B, any disjoint set, like this you have to find. So the disjoint sets among the following. So if you say A union B, what is A union B? A, B, K, M and P. So if you do A union B, and then common means intersection you have to do A union B intersection A means you will get A. Elements of A you will get, right or not? So if you do A union B, intersection A, common between A union B and A, what are the elements available in A union B and A? So A, K, M available in both A union B and M. So I will write here, if anyone is getting confused, A union B means this one. A, B, K, M, P. Intersection, what is A? A, K, M. So what you will get when you do intersection? Intersection means common, should be available in both. So what you will get here? A, K, M. So we are getting three elements. So A union B and A, whether it is disjoint sets? No, because we are getting three elements. If we don't get any element as common, then that is disjoint set. So here we are getting three. So A intersection and B, also you will get the B. Answer is B is here. So this is also not a disjoint set. But if you do A minus B and A intersection B, this is the answer, you will get disjoint set. How? We will see. So A minus B means what? A minus B means what is available in A but not available in B. So A is available here, so you write here A. K is available in both places, so cancel this K. And what is M? M is not available. So this is A minus B. AM. What about A intersection B? A intersection B means common of A and B. Common of A and B. A intersection B means what we will get? K is available in both. So we will get here K. So between these two, A union B and A intersection B, if you do intersection, if we try to find any common element between these two, do we find anything? No. So what do we get? We get a null set. What do we get? We get a empty or null set. So A minus B and A intersection B is what? They are disjoint sets. Sets having no common element. So this is the answer. Clear? Now we move to the next question. Question number 4. Minus 1 is the zero of the polynomial. Minus 1 is the zero of the polynomial. Then the other zero is what? Right. So there are many methods are there. One easy method is splitting the middle term. Take this polynomial x square minus 7x minus 8. To find the zeros, we can split the middle term. How? 8 multiplied by 1. 8 ones are 8. Factors of 8. 4 twos are. Here we need 7. So we will do 8 ones are. 8 ones are. We will do splitting middle terms. X square minus 8x less x minus 8 is equal to 0. So how we are doing this? This minus 7x we have written like this, right? So what is common? X minus 8. In this 2, what is common? And what about here? Plus 1 common, x minus 8. So you got both same here. So x minus 8 is common, multiplied by x plus 1. This is equal to how much? 0. So in this case, x minus 8 equal to 0. X minus 8 equal to 0. What does this mean? X is equal to 8. What about this one? X plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 already given to us. Minus 1 is already given as 0. So what is the other 0? 8. If you know any other method using formula minus b plus r minus anything you can do. So this method is splitting the middle term. You can do in this way also. Now moving to the next question. Question number 5. Value of log. This if we know the formulas, very easy logarithms. If we don't know the formula, then we will take some time. So what is given here? Log base of 49 to 3, 4, 3. When you see this, immediately we will know that this is in terms of power of 7. So base will be 7 square and the power will be 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7, how much? 343. 7 square is 49. So for this we have a formula. What is that formula? If you get like this powers in both cases, base and the attribute, what you have to do? First write this one divided by this one. 3 by 2 log base 7 of 7. So anything log base 10 of 10, base 2 of 2, base 7 of 7 means it is 1. So this will become 1. So 3 by 2 multiplied by 1 is what? 3 by 2. So this is the answer. So you have to remember this one. So what is the formula we have used here? If something like this you are having log x power y and say log x power z is the base, that means y by z multiplied by log x of x. So this is like this we are using the formula. Now moving to the next question. In the pair of equations 3x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0 and 6x minus ky equal to minus 16 represent what? Coincident lines. Coincident line, then the value of k. So we should know for coincident lines. So you have to remember this. 3 conditions are there in the textbook. You have to remember 10th class. Coincident lines means A1 by B1 is equal to A2 by B2 is equal to B1 by B2. So here I am mistaken. So for coincidence lines, you have to remember this. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. You can take here, K is for the B, right? For the B term, you are having K. So we can take any two here to solve. Either you take these two or you can take B and C. That also, because K is for the B. So for the first one, what is A1? See here. What is A1? 3 by A2 is what? 6 equal to B1 minus 1, second equation, and B2, second equation, minus K, right? So what we will get? 3 1s are 3 2s are, we will get here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to minus minus cancel 1 by K. That means reciprocal. K is how much? 2. So the answer is 2. So what we have to remember? Coincident lines means this one. Either you take A1 by 2, B1 by B2, or this, anything you can take to solve. Now coming to the next question. Question number 7. Roots. The quadratic equation whose roots are? For a quadratic equation we are having 2 roots. So 2 roots are already given to us. One is square root of root 3 minus square root of 3. So here, if we know the roots, then how we can write the quadratic equation? We can write the quadratic equation as x square minus sum of the roots. Sum of the roots multiply by x plus product of roots. Product of roots. So first write x square minus sum of the roots. Sum is addition. Root 3 plus minus root 3 multiplied by x plus product of the roots. Root 3 multiplied by minus root 3. Right, these two you have to multiply. Root 3 and minus. So what you will get here? X square minus root 3 plus, so this will be 0, 0x. So 0x, no need to write. What about this one? Root 3 into root 3, but minus 1. So root 3 into root 3 is what? 3 with a minus sign. So x square minus 3 equal to 0. So this you have to remember. X square minus sum of the root multiplied by x plus product of the roots. Product. So this is the answer. Now going to the next question. Among the following, an equation that has no real roots. No real roots. No real roots means discriminant will be less than 0. This we should know. Discriminant is less than 0 means no real roots. What is discriminant? Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. If you do, it should be less than 0. Then that equation will have no real roots. Right. If you get d is equal to 0, b square minus 4 is equal to 0, what is that? 2 equal roots. If d is greater than 0, 2 real roots. Clear? So like this. Here the question given is no real roots. So it should be b square minus 4. That is d should be less than 0. Which one is this one? So if you, this is a and this is b and this is c. So b square minus 4 is c. What you will get? Minus 4 square, 16. Minus 4, a is 1, c is 4. So what you will get here? 16 minus 16, 0. So this is not no real roots, because here we are having equal to 0 means what? This is 2 equal roots. But what we need? We are searching for this one, no real roots. D should be less than 0. For which one among this one we are searching? Right. Suppose if you take this one, b square, 4 square, minus 4ac, a is 1. And c is how much? A means coefficient of x square. C is what? 3. So 16 minus 12. That is equal to 4, greater than 0. This is 2 real roots. But no real roots means this is the answer. How? B square, 4 square, minus 4. What is x square coefficient? 1. What is the other one? C, 6. So how much you will get? 16 minus 24, that is equal to minus 8. So less than 0. So if it is less than 0, what is the meaning of this less than 0? No real roots. So answer is this one. No real roots. But anyway, 3 conditions you have to remember. Any one question you may get, most likely you will get. This is somewhat lengthy to solve, right? But I am not giving the complete answer here. 1 mark they ask. Right? Answer is x plus y is equal to 90. So here we have to understand few things to solve. This is radius. What is radius? OQ here will be equal to OR. OQ and OR what? Radius. So OQ equal to OR. So in a triangle, if these two sides are same, because both are radius, so both will be same. So what is this triangle? Isosceles triangle. Right? If two sides are same, so this is isosceles triangle. In the isosceles triangle, the opposite angles will be same. So this angle is equal to this angle. Right? These two angles are same. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. One, this is used. The other thing is, for the triangle, the sum of the 3 angles is how much? Sum of 3 angles in a triangle, interior angles in a triangle, 180 degrees. So that is also used to solve this one. So another thing is, half angle property is there. QOR is equal to angle Q, this one you can say, QOR is equal to 2 times QPR. QPR. So this one, another one. So if we use this one, QOR is equal to 2 times angle QPR. By using these 3, we can solve and show. It will take some time. So that's just remember that if you see like this figure, x plus y will be equal to 90 degrees. What is the x angle? This one. What is the y angle? This one. These two equal to how much? These two, when you add, so sum of these two will be 90 degrees. Just remember this. But we need these things to solve this problem. For 1 mark, it is very somewhat. Anyway, they will give a few questions. They will give as difficult questions that you can manage. Now the 10th question. If the perimeters of 2 equilateral triangles are 20 centimeter and 30. So here what is given to us? Equilateral triangles is 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Then the ratio of their areas in the same order. So here we have two triangles are given and both are equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangle means the three sides will be equal. Suppose the first triangle perimeter is P1. Perimeter means sum of three sides. If you add three sides, what you get is the perimeter of the triangle. We have another triangle and that is also an equilateral triangle. Three sides are equal here. Consider the perimeter as P2. So the first triangle perimeter is how much? 20 centimeter. So side is what? In a triangle, sum of three sides is 20. So side will be perimeter divided by 3. Side 1 we say for first triangle. Perimeter divided by 3. So for the first triangle, what are the equal sides? 20 divided by 3. For 20 divided by 3 this one, 20 divided by 3 second one, and 20 third side. So that is what? Side means perimeter divided by 3. For the second triangle, perimeter P2 is how much? Given 30 centimeter. So side to S2. For the second triangle, what is the side? 30 divided by 3. So what you will get? 10. So for the second triangle, 10. Each side is 10. For the first triangle, 20 by 3. Keep as it is. Second triangle, it is 10. So what we have to find? Ratio of their areas. Ratio of their areas. So first we will find the ratio of the sides. Ratio of the sides of two triangles. I am not writing completely here. First one is 20 by 3 divided by 10. So 20 by 3 divided by 1 by 10. 10 1 are 10 2. So what you will get here? 2 by 3. So once you get the sides, ratio of the sides is what? 2 by 3. The ratio of the side, that is side of the first triangle and side of the second triangle, you are getting this one. So for areas, we have to find areas. So areas means what you have to do? For areas, you have to do ratio of the side square by side square. How much it is? 4 by 9. So it is 4:9. So the answer is like this. So what we have done here? For the triangles, perimeter is given. Perimeter divided by 3, you get side. Take the ratio of the sides, then square this one, you get the ratio of the areas. That's all. It is the question. So this is the question number 10. So with this I will stop here. I will continue in the next video. Do like, subscribe and share. If you have any doubt, write in the comment section. Thanks for watching.